Try to seduce me though.
Not yet.
Oh, not yet.
She a freak in the sheets.
My favorite. Don't tell anybody.
Thank you so much. We can tell people. Good. I'm doing. I like this because I can kind of see it. Oh, this is.
This is a perfect.
Oh my God.
titties on your
This
head,
is.
Bobby. It's totally PG too, so safe for work.
We can watch this on the Disney Plus channel later on.
Right.
So, this is great. What are you most looking forward to at this XMA?
Let's see, getting a drink inside. Number one. No, I'm just kidding. Honestly, I look forward to seeing everybody's dresses. I'm a total girl when it comes to that. So all the girls look so gorgeous, and it's super fun to like go in there and take photos with everybody. And you know that part is the best. Yeah. And you, Javi.
Me. You try to seduce me the other day. You tried to. I like that though.
Not yet.
Not yet.
No.
Possibilities.
Oh, hell yeah.
I love when your eyes look like this.
I know we're kind of like matching a little, like lighter, yeah.
This is good. This is great.
I might have cried when I put the contacts in, but don't tell me.
What you did?
It was a little rough.
What are you nominated for? Tell us.
I'm nominated for Creator of the Year tonight, so I'm super excited. And then I was nominated for fan favorite male performer. So yeah.
Oh, you're gonna win. This is your season, your time.
You never know. You never know. Hey, I got my. It's an honor just being nominated. You know?
God,
No,
great.
it's just fun. It's just fun to be a part of this whole experience. It's like really cool. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Mwah. I don't want to get lipstick on.
Oh yeah, that's good. Rub it in. All right, thanks. I'm Javi Mac. Kiss and tell with Javi Mac.